Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do this almost non-existing makeup, and this video is for people who do not like wearing a lot of makeup, obviously. So if you want to find out how to look put together without using a lot of heavy products, this video is for you, and keep on watching. I always wanted to film a makeup tutorial for some reason, and I guess that's what I'm gonna do today. So I always start with, this is weird, but I always start with cleaning up the eyebrow area. So usually I use my Smashbox Halo BB cream, but I'm not gonna use that today. I just want something intense so that you guys can see what I'm doing. And you cannot really tell what you're doing when you're using that BB cream, especially to just clear up the brow area. This is my first step always. I'm just gonna using this concealer to almost give my eyebrow some shape, even though it has the shape already. It just cleans it up, right? So I don't know if you can see the difference, but it just almost gives you a nice shape, right? That's what I'm gonna be doing on my left eye as well. This channel is, I don't know what this channel is going to be. I'm not sure. I'm not really serious about it, as in I'm not really looking to build an audience here like that. I'm not looking for a specific subscriber count. I am just here to share the beauty stuff, and whoever wants to watch such kind of videos or learn from it, you're more than welcome. But I'm actually not necessarily looking for, I don't know, views or subscribers like that. Just like a channel where I can relax, basically. So yeah, I'm not gonna be brushing my brows up. So if it's a special occasion, I would do the wax thing on the brows, where you use a wax to kind of make sure that they stay up. But on a day-to-day basis, I don't do that. So my eyebrows are done, even though I did not actually do anything like that. I hope the audio is fine. So that's that. I just used some random eyebrow pencil, and it's a spoolie to just brush my eyebrows up. That's it. That's what I do. The next thing I am going to be doing is, I hope this lighting stays, I'm just gonna take this brown eye pencil from Lakme, and I will be linking all the products down below, don't worry about it, even though I'm not using a lot of product in this video. So the thing I do with my eyes is I always just add a little bit of line on the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm just gonna do that. Just look at how I'm doing it. It's kind of hard to do it on phone. I'm just gonna try. I don't know if that is visible. You see just a little line, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it did define the outer part of my eye a little bit. And I also just go ahead, use it right here on the inner corners, just to kind of give my eyes a little bit of outline. And again, I really cannot see if I'm doing it right or not because I don't have a mirror, but I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it really did define this part of the eye. I'm just gonna pick my phone up and just do it in sunlight maybe. So once again, there's something going on here. Okay. I hope you can see. I will check it in the mirror. So that's that. I'm just gonna do the same thing in the inner corners. As you guys can see, I have some pores, not pores, those are some scars on my nose. I used to be really insecure about those, but like as of lately, I've like started embracing them. You guys can see I have scars on my nose. I thought those were pores, but my dermatologist told me that those were just scars from the time when I used to have a lot of acne, or a lot of cystic acne on my nose. So I used to be insecure, but I'm not anymore. I really like them. I've like started liking them a lot. I don't know why. I just feel it just gives some character to my face, and that's how you should actually look at anything you consider as a flaw on your face. I usually sometimes use cheek stains, but I don't know if that is visible on screen, but my cheeks are already kind of pinkish. My nose definitely pink, but sometimes what I do, I would use a little bit of stain so that they match with my nose, because I never use anything on my nose. So I'm not sure what stain to use. I have a lot of stains with me. I found this one stain and it's only available in India. This is from Art Rhythm, and the reason why I like this stain so much is because it just also adds a little bit of highlight on the face as well. Ignore my bag. So I think I'm just gonna use this and just show you guys the difference. Or sometimes my favorite one is actually from Body Shop, and I don't know where the packaging, where all the names and everything went, because I use this a lot. Maybe that's the reason, but this is the one I use. This is like my go-to stain. But today I'm just gonna use this one. Just gonna show you guys how this looks. Just gonna pick my phone up so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So what I would do is I would take this and dot it like that, and it perfectly matches with the color on my nose. I don't know if you can see it, but you can just tell the difference. Okay, it's always red. It used to be so red when I was a kid that I had to consult the dermatologist for it, just to reduce that redness on my nose, because people around me used to make fun of my nose a lot. So that's that. All right, so that's that. The next thing we are going to be doing is, I don't even know if I'm going to post this video, by the way. If you're watching this, you're lucky. I'm just gonna give you guys a real cool tip that I accidentally found while I was curling my eyelashes. So you don't ever curl your lashes like with your straight face. If you really properly want to curl your eyelashes, what you do is you look on the side at this angle, tilt your head again a little diagonally, and then you go ahead and start curling the eyelashes. This way it actually takes in all the little strand on your eyelash from the base. That's what we want. Let me just move here a little bit so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I hope sunlight is making it visible. Can you see, like in this direction, you guys can see it's almost curled everything from the base up, right? Because I tilted my face in this angle. So what you want to do is just look towards the right side when you're curling your right eyelashes, and then just tilt your head a little diagonally like this, and then curl your lashes. This way you're actually gonna get each and every single eyelash strand on your eyelash curler from the base of it. That's what we want, right? So I'm just gonna do it once again. From the base like that, and you guys can see how well it curled my lashes, how good they look. And just gonna be doing the same thing on my, obviously, the other side. I'm so proud of myself that I'm actually able to do all this just using my phone as a mirror. So that's that. It curled my eyelashes real well. And then I'm gonna move towards the sun because it was so easy for you guys to see. Next step is also really important when it comes to perfect eyelash. And by perfect eyelashes, I just mean eyelashes that look natural, that does not look like a spider. Usually if it's some special occasion and I want my eyelashes to look real good, I would first go in with this eyelash serum. I originally bought it as a serum just to grow my eyelashes, but I was reading the reviews on this. You can just find it on Amazon. People are using it as obviously a eyelash primer, and it does work real well. This works so well. It keeps your eyelashes like in place all day long, and it is really good. So I'm not using this today, by the way, because I don't feel like doing that. I'm just heading out just to get a haircut, so I don't really feel the need to use this. But another step is also really important. I want you guys to stick. Once you have used that serum as your eyelash primer, you're gonna use a dried up mascara. You're not gonna use a new mascara, you're gonna use a dried up mascara. That's what I'm gonna be using today, because it actually helps in making your eyelashes look really natural and not spidery at all. I hate spidery eyelashes. Like, I'd rather have no mascara at all than to actually have those spidery eyelashes. So I'm just gonna show you how I use this. Here I have my dried up mascara wand, and I use this curved side, and obviously just use it as you would use your normal mascara wand. There's like nothing special to do. It just adds a little bit of definition, that's it. Like, you might not see a huge difference if you are somebody who uses normal mascara every day. You might not see a huge difference, but for me it is huge. Like, from the base up, that's the trick. I don't know if you can tell the difference. They look the same to me right now, and now that I'm looking at it, but that's how I like it. So now that my eyelashes are curled, sometimes what I would do, I would use some eyebrow gel right at the bottom of my eyelashes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So just barely am touching my lower lashes. I know this tutorial is so fucking random, like so random. It has no structure like my videos usually, like on other channels usually have a structure, but this has no structure and it feels so good. And a little bit of definition on my lower lashes without making them look like a fucking spider. Also gonna use whatever's left on the wand on my eyebrows, like that. And that's done. I think eyes are done. Last step is obviously lips, and for that, first I'm just gonna lightly line my lips. Again, I'm gonna be just linking all the products down in the description box. It's just a lip pencil from Nykaa. I don't know what shade this is. I'm not sure. I'll be linking everything down below. So I actually just line the bottom part of the lip, just that much, and then Cupid's bow, and that's how you line it. That's how I line my lips. Barely, like barely. I don't know what the fuck is going on in this hotel. Some loud music and something. So usually what I do, I would go ahead and use this stain on my lips, but I think I'm just gonna keep it simple today, and just gonna be using the gloss. I'm not sure what gloss to use today. Like, I'm thinking either this Anastasia in the shade Tan Rose. This is a real good gloss, but the thing is, it's a little sticky for my likings. And the next one I really like using is this lifter gloss. I don't know, in the shade Topaz. So I think I'm gonna use this because I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm just getting a haircut, so I don't feel the need to use anything fancy. And just a little bit of this gloss. This is definitely much lighter than the Anastasia one. So the makeup is almost done. Not almost, it's actually done. Makeup is done, baby. makeup is done. This is how it looks in the sunlight. I obviously had my sunscreen on. You cannot skip that. So I'm just gonna do my hair, change my outfit, and I'm just gonna show you how it looks. Alright guys, so that's how the final result looks like. Really simple. You cannot even tell if I have something on or not. Like, you can look like on my eyes, because of my eyelashes, looks like something, I have something going on. But apart from that, I don't think that's looking too much. So like in the sunlight also, like that's why I do not really like wearing a lot of makeup, because when you go out, like especially in the daylight, you can tell if somebody's wearing a lot of makeup or not. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing, I'm just saying it just looks crazy. Like for me personally, I just find it crazy. It looks crazy on me, at least, because I've got some texture on my nose, and also I just don't like it. I just don't like how it feels, especially if you're like going somewhere where the weather is hot. It just feels weird. It feels like you cannot rub your face, you cannot touch your face, because you're so worried, okay, your foundation might come out. I'm talking a lot, I don't know why, because it just feels good just to relax in a video and not try to teach something. So yeah, that's how it looks. I also want to show you how it looks like inside in the bathroom, because of all the lighting. So that's how it looks like right inside. I'm also going to show you how it looks in the bathroom, because we have some crazy lighting going on in the bathroom. So again, that's how it looks in the bathroom with crazy lighting. Really simple, straightforward. I really hope you guys enjoyed this casual video, and I wanted to show you guys my outfit as well. But I'm kind of tired right now. Like, I think I should just leave now. I have to book an appointment, and then I will be leaving for my haircut. I'll be showing you guys how my new haircut looks. By the way, it's like really simple right now. I kind of give my hair a little bit of curl right at the bottom, but it looks very crazy. I actually gave myself a haircut. That's why I'm getting a haircut. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'm not expecting anything, honestly. Like, if you don't subscribe to this channel, it's completely fine, right? But yeah, I will see you guys in my next get ready with me. But I'm not even sure why I would film that, because I don't do anything. Like, I do not wear makeup. So maybe this channel is for people who do not like wearing a lot of makeup. You might want to join in, maybe just share some tips on how to actually perfectly do it. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking now and see you guys in the next video.